Niggas make more. I knew my time would come and had to wait for it. So I had
Kick it.
Okay, now kick it. Give it a good kick. Come on.
Right there. Give it gas.
Okay. Okay, look. Put this up. Okay, look. Now,
Hold it.
when you start going,
No.
No.
Down.
Down.
And then once you're going and start getting out, put your foot under it. Click
go
that
up.
and kick it up.
But get a good one on me.
all right, I am.
That's to go to second, right?
Yeah, that's to go to
And then I
second.
hold the clutch to stop.
Yeah, to stop or the brake.
Yeah, and then
Or that
once
brake.
you start slowing down, just start clicking this all the way down. Just click it all the way
Boy,
down.
outside with it. Yes, sir. Let the cars go first, all right?
Hey, but I hold the clutch to drive or no?
Yeah. Right now, when you're about to go, hold the
Now
clutch
when you're
in.
driving, once you're rolling, you can let the clutch go. Because you gotta put it in gear. Up, click it.
Hold the car. Hold the car.
Push it down one,
Yeah.
Click it.
down,
That's ready.
now up one, I'll be second.
Should have given my helmet, man.
I know, up one will go second.
Yeah, but hold that in.
Be safe, bro. Please. This ain't no joke. Hey, wait till the cars go, all right?
After
Once you feel like you're not going fast no more, put your foot under that side and get it up. Oh shit. 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 Put it up, bro. Put it up. Oh
Hey,
shit.
what happened? It went to second.
Oh shit. You good. You good.
You will.
Hey, tell him,
Oh,
hey, I got
shit.
that bear skin, nigga. We're good.
Damn.
What happened, dog?
You whiskey throttled it. You did too much.
The handlebars, man. Nah, nigga, what happened?
Go put it up, bro. Go put it up.
Nah, don't let me.
Hey, good thing you didn't hit that car. That's all that matters.
I pressed the brake.
Yes. Turn it on. Ride it around.
The handlebars are turned.
Nigga, but you can't. Hey, this happens in bike life. You gotta
Oh,
get
hell
used to it.
yeah. Shit. Exactly. He took the words out of my mouth. This shit is part of the fucking game. That part. Hey, once you get that over with, that fall,
You gotta be stiff out here. You can't
bro,
be a bitch.
it's when people fall and don't get back on it, that's when they're a bitch. You know what I'm saying? Here, let me clean the camera.
Hey, I need to turn them back straight. They're to the right.
Only get the grass ones.
No, you gotta start off small first.
That shit's odd, nigga.
Is it straight?
A little bit more.
All right. Oh,
That's
that,
my phone.
I got it.
Ooh, you just feel a little dazed after that, right?
Did you hit your head?
Nah.
You sure?
Nah,
You
nah.
straight?
Good.
I'm God. Nah, it was a fall, fam.
No, I know, bro. As long as you're straight, bro. That's all that fucking matters. Fuck all everything else. As long as you're straight. You gotta roll when you're putting in neutral. Look, roll forward.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. He said, fuck the bike. He said, fuck the bike. Hey, ride it around so you can get that gas that leaked out. Let it get off. I called it. Just ride it a little bit, bro. Make sure everything's
Burned out right there.
Yeah. You good, fam? For real? Get some water, wait, come on.
Hold on, I need to fix the pedal. That shit's going down over here.
Oh, he broke it.
Nah, look.
Oh, you gotta screw it.
Yeah. You ain't got a screwdriver with you?
Yeah, I got all my tools with me.
Hey, I didn't know that hoe was gonna fuck this up burning out.
Nah, bro, that's what they do. That's what they do, bro. Man, and that's just a 125. Imagine the racing bikes. Oh, no.
Yeah, can he pull up to the shop or not? Can he come to the shop or you want me to go later?
Minor little stuff, bro. Just that, bro.
At the barbershop?
He said the fucking handlebars bent, but I mean,
Alright.
as long as the wheels, everything's attached, you're Gucci.